Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more tech reviews and helpful tips. Here's our review of KeepTrack tax software, with links to the product available in the description below. KeepTrack is a dedicated tax software solution tailored specifically for freelancers, small business owners, and independent contractors seeking an efficient way to manage expenses, track income, and effectively prepare for tax season. It skillfully blends simplicity with powerful features, making it an invaluable tool for those managing multiple income streams or navigating complex financial records. A key strength of KeepTrack lies in its comprehensive income and expense tracking system. The software seamlessly connects to your bank accounts or allows manual transaction uploads, automatically categorizing them for tax purposes. This eliminates the tedious process of manually sorting through receipts and spreadsheets. You can even customize categories to perfectly align the system with your specific needs, ensuring every possible deduction is accurately captured. KeepTrack's real-time reporting provides a crystal-clear overview of your taxable income and deductible expenses, giving you a continuous and accurate understanding of your tax obligations throughout the year. For freelancers and businesses frequently incurring mileage expenses, KeepTrack offers an integrated mileage tracking tool. Leveraging GPS technology, the app meticulously records trips and calculates the precise deductible mileage for your tax return. This feature is particularly advantageous for users who travel extensively for work and aim to maximize their deductions without added effort. Furthermore, KeepTrack provides estimated tax calculations based on your income and expenses, helping you avoid unexpected surprises during tax filing season. Another notable advantage of KeepTrack is its user-friendly interface, specifically designed with non-accountants in mind. The software simplifies tax management through an intuitive layout and clear, straightforward language. It also seamlessly integrates with popular tax filing platforms, ensuring a smooth and efficient transition from preparation to filing. In conclusion, KeepTrack is an excellent choice for individuals and small businesses seeking a comprehensive tool to streamline tax preparation and expense tracking. Whether you're self-employed or managing a side hustle, KeepTrack empowers you to stay organized and maintain tax compliance. For more detailed information, click the links in the description and discover if KeepTrack is the right solution for your tax management needs.